So in this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about two of the popular bridal palettes which are available in India, and I'm going to share my thoughts and opinions about both of these products. One of them is the infamous KRYOLAN Dermacolor Camouflage palette. This palette comes in 6, 12 and 24 pans. I have got the 6 color pan palette. This is Punjab one, and on the other hand I have got this one which I have tried for the very first time. This is the C2P Professional Cosmetics. This is their Ultra HD 12 color professional palette. This is manufactured in India, so I'm kind of like, really intrigued about this one. Wherein KRYOLAN Cosmetics is from Germany. It was found in 1945. That comes with a long history of makeup. Both of these palettes have thicker cream consistency. At the same time, they come into two variants. The ones here I'm talking about is one called Derma Shield and Derma Color. Otherwise, they also come into the other variety which is more on a creamier side, and that is Supra Color with KRYOLAN, and I believe the Supra is going to be the same for C2P Pro. Oops. Okay, to start off with the C2P Professional Derma Shield palette, I have picked the 12 pan palette. This is something which kind of bothered me. These have to be magnetic, but yeah, they were just kind of glued on. So this, I have bought it from their website itself, so it's not going to be a counterfeit product. On the other end, the Camouflage Creme Dermacolor by KRYOLAN. I have got this one called Punjab 1. Now this has 6 pans and 2 of them are for color correcting purpose. This one is most likely for contour and this could be for your bases. On the other hand, in C2P Pro, you get 2 of the contour shades. You get 2 color correctors. One is more on the orangey side, the other one is more of a peach tone, and rest of the shades you can use it for your base. You can also mix these colors and create your own custom shade of foundation, and if you want a detailed video on that, let me know into the comment section and I'm gonna make a video on that. One thing over the internet which I've heard is that you can only use derma palettes during summers but not in winters. However, that is not true at all. You can actually use these palettes throughout the year. It is just you need to know how to make it work. Okay, talking about the C2P Professional, it is specifically designed for high definition makeup, which also you call HD makeup. This palette is suitable for most of the Indian skin tones, and if you can see it by the palette, it focuses more onto the neutral to warm side. It can cover imperfections like minor scars, hyperpigmentation and tattoos as well. The texture in this formula is creamy yet lightweight. It is not as drying as the KRYOLAN Dermacolor one, so it still has more of that malleable creamy texture. On the pigment concentration, I would call it has somewhere around like 20 to 30% of pigments, which is still high coverage but not as comparable to the Dermacolor one. It provides buildable coverage, so you can go from your medium to full coverage really fast. On the pricing end, this is more affordable than the KRYOLAN one, price per pan, as well as the entire palette. I have got it somewhere around in 1600 rupees. So if you're a makeup artist who's looking for versatility as well as portability, this is the one which you should pick, and this one is also focused more on modern and HD makeup. Okay, now coming on to the Dermacolor Camouflage Creme by KRYOLAN. Camouflage Creme system was created to cover severe skin conditions such as vitiligo, major surgery marks and discoloration. So it comes more onto the corrective side of the makeup. Okay, so the formula is creamy, yet it is slightly heavier than the C2P Pro, so you have to be mindful for that. Now this one has somewhere around like 40 to 50% of pigmentation concentration. That is on the very extreme side. It also provides professional full grade opacity in one single application. On the shade range, it comes into variety of 6 pan, 12 pan, 24 pan, and you can also get them into single refills. These come in variety of variants. I wanted to pick the bridal one, but that was not available, and on the other seller I actually ordered bridal, but I got Punjab one. So it actually offers a wide variety of skin tones from different races and ethnicities. I personally like the finish of this one because this provides like a full finish matte look. It can also appear heavier if it is not blended properly, but at the same time I love the finish of this one. On the pricing side, this one comes with a higher price tag than the C2P Pro one. This one I have got 6 pans for somewhere around like 1600 rupees, and for the same price I got 12 pans for the C2P Pro. Okay, final showdown, which one should you pick? It actually depends upon your individual choice. If you're just starting out with Dermacolor system, I would highly recommend to invest in C2P Pro because this is going to help you dip your toes into professional makeup. At the same time, it's not going to be heavy on your pocket and you're going to get a lot of product to kind of mix and match to create your custom shades. If you're a working makeup artist which is into films and televisions as well as into modeling photo shoots, I will still recommend to pick up the bridal version of this palette. Okay, this was the sweet and short video about the professional grade makeup system from C2P Pro and Kryolan. Let me know into the comments which one do you prefer. Have you tried any of these or have you tried none? Also, if you guys want me to make a detailed application video using these two palettes side by side, let me also know into the comments. On that note, that is all from my side. If you got any useful information from this video, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and I'm going to see you guys in my next one.